आपादमौलिपर्यन्तां गुरूणामाकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नप्रणश्यन्ति सिद्धन्ति च मनोरथः लक्ष्मीं तनोतु नितरामितरानपेक्षमङ्घ्रिद्वयं निगमशाकिशिखाप्रवालं हैरम्बमम्बुरुहडम्बरचौर्यनिग्रं विघ्नाद्रिभेदशतधारधुरन्धरन्नः सर्वेषां स्वागतं. वेल्कम् टु संस्कृत स्वाध्याय. So we've had a break and thanks to Sapna Bhagini, I think many would have revised all the lessons that we have gone through. This one exercise, this abhyasa, I didn't see many people respond to this. Not many people posted. So we will come back to this because I think framing a whole sentence on your own must be difficult. So we will keep that later. We will go through the next two exercises, then we will try to come back to this. So we were doing Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti is karma karaka, or it shows karma. And we have seen the forms. We have seen the forms for Akaranta Pullinga, Akaranta Strilinga, and Akaranta Pullinga, Akaranta Strilinga, and Napamsakalinga. So now what we are going to do, we are going to go through second exercise, fourth exercise. Avarane dattanam shabdanam uchitani rupani rikte sthale likhata. Now, what is the exercise? The exercise is the same. We have to change the karma to Dvitiya Vibhakti. That means we have to change what has been indicated in Pratama Vibhakti to Dvitiya Vibhakti. That's all. We are not doing anything else. So now whatever is given in the brackets, we have to change it to Dvitiya Vibhakti. Now, so for that, we have to remember the Dvitiya Vibhakti forms. So what are the Dvitiya Vibhakti forms? We already had a look at that. So when we are looking at Rama, Namapada, then it is Ramaha. So it is Pullinga. So first what we have to do, we have to decide the Linga. Linga Nirdesha must take place. That means we have to decide on the gender. Then what do? We have to look at the Vachana. Vachana, there are three Vachanas, Ekavachana, Dvivachana, and Bahuvachana. So based on the Linga Nirdesha, the forms are indicated. Now, if it is Pullinga, then we have Ramam, Ramau, Raman. So Raman is for Bahuvachana, Ramau is for Dvivachana, Ramam is for Ekavachana. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana, regardless of gender, will remain the same. Will come in the end. So no need to worry about it. So if I am saying Ramaha, then it is Ramam. If I am saying Rama, Ramam. If I am saying Pustakam, Pustakam. For Napamsakalinga, the forms are not going to change. That is the first Vibhakti and the second Vibhakti forms are same. Pustakam, Pustake, Pustakani, Pustakam, Pustake, Pustakani. This is for Akaranta. And then Rama, Akaranta, this is Strilinga. Rama, Rami, Ramaha. This is the Pratama Vibhakti. Now, when we go to Dvitiya Vibhakti of Akaranta Strilinga, again will come. Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana is Ramam. Will come. That's all. And the second, that is Dvivachana or the dual form, will not change for this. Rame in the beginning, Pratama Vibhakti, Rame in the Dvitiya Vibhakti also. And Ramaha in the Bahuvachana, Pratama Vibhakti, Ramaha in Bahuvachana, Dvitiya Vibhakti. So here we can see in the Pullinga, the first Vibhakti and the second Vibhakti, we have the dual form not changing. This in the Strilinga, both dual form and plural form, Bahuvachana and Dvivachana, they are not changing. In Napamsakalinga, all three of them do not change. So Pratama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti remains same. So this is how we remember. Now, there are many, when we say Ajanta and Halanta, obviously there are going to be many different forms. One more form that we need to remember usually is Ikaranta Strilinga. Ikaranta Strilinga. So when we do Strilinga, this is, so this is Pullinga and this is Napamsakalinga. Okay. So now, same Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti for Ikaranta. This was Akaranta Strilinga. Now we will take Ikaranta. So for this, let us take one word, Nari. So, okay. So Nari is Ikaranta Strilinga. Now, what will be the dual form for it? For the dual form, the only change that happens is it is due to a sandhi change. Na yau here similarly to Pullinga, au is coming, right? So for the same way, au comes over here. But e is also a swara, au is also a swara, so they cannot replace each other. So what happens here? Naryau is the dvivachana. So nari, naryau, then naryaha. Okay, this is Pratama Vibhakti. So now the same here when we go for Dvitiya Vibhakti, what happens? Nari, I said regardless of gender, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana shall remain same. That means same changes will be inculcated. What is that change? Will be added. That's all. So here when we are saying Nari is the first form, first Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana form. If we add, it will become Narim. Narim. Because if I put the dot, it won't be seen. Then the rule for Dvivachana remains the same. It doesn't change. Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, dual form, Dvivachana form shall remain same. So, Naryau is the Prathama Vibhakti form. For the Dvitiya Vibhakti also, it shall remain Naryau. Okay. Only in the Bahuvachana form, what happens? Here we are seeing that this Rama, Rame, Ramaha, what is happening is the Bahuvachana forms remain the same. Here it is changing a little bit. What is the change? The change is that take the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana form. Nari is there, no? Add a Visarga to it. That's all. Narihi. So this will be Ikaranta Strilinga Dvitiya Vibhakti forms. So we are seeing that Rama Rami Ramaha, Ramam Rami Ramaha, Nari Naryau Naryaha, Narim Naryau Narihi. So this has to be we have to remember this. Okay. Now we will go to an exercise. Now, this exercise we will come back to. So the fourth exercise we will do. Now, same exercise, no changes in the way it goes. What is it? We have to look at the whole sentence. We have to look at the rikta sthanani blank spaces. We have to look at the words given in the brackets which are in Prathama Vibhakti. From Prathama Vibhakti, we have to take two things. First, Linga Nirdesha, which Linga this belongs to. Then, which Vachana this belongs to. Okay. So, based on that, we have to change it to Dvitiya Vibhakti. That's all we have to do. So, the first one, they have given Saha, Prataha. In the bracket, it is given Patrika, Kavita, Granthaha, Cha Pathati. Cha is an indication of and, conjunction. Okay. English, what we call as conjunctions. Here we call it as it all comes into one particular group called as Avyaya Padani. We will do that later on. Here what we need to know is cha means and. That's all. So now first what we should do, Patrika. Which linga is this? This is Strilinga. Which vachana is this? Ekavachana. So now Patrika Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana, what will it be? It will be Am. Ekavachana, I already told you. Am we have to add. That's all. So Patrika, Patrikam. Same way. Kavita. Which linga? It is Strilinga. Akaranta Strilinga. And which the vachana is this? It is Ekavachana. So now Ekavachana Dvitiya Vibhakti. What should we do? We have to change the form. How do we change the form? For Dvitiya Ekavachana, all we have to do is add am. So when we add Kavitam, it becomes. Then next, Granthaha, Akaranta, Pullinga, Granthaha. Granthaha, which vachana? Ekavachana. Granthaha. Granthaha, Granthav, Granthaha. So now Granthaha, Ekavachana. We need Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ekavachana. What do we get? Grantham. Ekavachana, when it says we have to add to whatever form is left. So Grantham. Cha Pathati. Pathati means to read. Okay. Now the first sentence is Rameshaha Pratidinam dash. In the brackets they have given Devaha dash Janakaha dash Agrajaha dash Acharyah cha namaskaroti. Namaskara, namaskaroti. He wishes them, bows down to them, etc., etc. It means that. So, first of all, which linga is Devaha?
Pullinga.
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 Pullinga. Janakaha is also Pullinga. Agrajaha.
Pullinga.
Acharyaha. Now, Vachana.
Pullinga.
Ha, Vachana. Devaha, which Vachana?
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachana. Janakaha. Ekavachana. Agrajaha. Ekavachana.
Ekavachanam.
Acharyaha.
Ekavachana.
Ekavachana. Simple rule to remember. How do you convert Ekavachana from Pratama to Dvitiya Vibhakti? That's all. So here it would be what?
Devam.
Devam. Simple. Next. Janakaha would become
Janakam.
Janakam. Okay. Then Agrajaha would
Janakam.
become
Agracham. Agracham.
Agrajam. Then Acharyaha would become
Achacham. Yam.
Acharyam.
Acharyam.
Ha. Yam
Charyam.
we have to add. Okay. So now we will go to the next sentence. Next sentence, can anybody read and complete it?
आं महोदय।
हाँ।
सीता कोष्टके ग्रन्थः ग्रन्थः पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः एकवचनं ग्रन्थस्य ग्रन्थं भवति सीता ग्रन्थं अनन्तरं सुधाखण्डः पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः एकवचनं सुधाखण्डं द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचनं सुधाखण्डं अनन्तरं स्यूतः कोष्टके अस्ति स्यूतस्य अपि स्यूतं एकवचनं पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः दण्डः दण्डं पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः एकवचनं च नयति सीता ग्रन्थं सुधाखण्डं स्यूतं दण्डं च नयति.
Very good. So meanings are simple. Grantham, you know, is grantha or a book. We can Sudhakanda is chalk. Syutaha is a box or a briefcase, we can say, or bag usually associated with. Dandam is one stick. Okay. So next, would anybody like to go for the next sentence? Yes. Sevakaha. What is given in the brackets? Amraha. Which linga is that?
Punsakalinga.
Amraha. So easy way to identify which linga is, if visarga is given, then most of the time it is pullinga.
Pullinga.
Ha. If visarga is lacking, then most of the time we take it to be strilinga. Okay. If is there in the end, then you take it to be napumsakalinga. So now amraha, visarga is there. So this is which linga?
Pullinga.
Pullinga. So amraha, then it would become what? If I convert it to Dvitiya, okay, which vachana it is?
Ekavachana.
Ekavachana. So if I convert it to Dvitiya Vibhakti, it will become?
Amram.
Amram. Amram. Okay. Then next one is Panasaha.
पनस्
Panasaha. Which
पुल्लिङ्गः
we have to say?
एकवचनं
Huh?
पुल्लिङ्गः एकवचनं
Pullingaha ekavachana. Okay, very good. So what will be the ekavachana of Dvitiya Vibhakti?
पनसं
Panasam. So it would be Panasam. Okay. Next.
पुल्लिङ्गः एकवचनं
Pullinga ekavachana because there is visarga. Very good. Okay. So the Dvitiya Vibhakti form will be
नारिकेलं
Narikelam. Narikelam. Okay. So now Amram is a fruit, that is mango, vino, panasa is jackfruit, and then narikela is coconut.
कोकोनट्
Okay. Next. Anybody would like to go for the fourth sentence?
Yes, Bhavya.
Ah. Ramaha.
Ramaha,
Ah.
Pullinga, Ekavachana.
Ha.
Dasharataha.
Ah. Dasharathaha. Okay.
Dasharatam.
Dasharatham.
Tam.
Ha.
Dasharatam.
Ha. So how do we know that Dasharathaha is which?
Ekavachana, Pullinga Shabda.
Very good. So we have to convert it. We just add it becomes Dasharatham. Okay. Next.
Dasharatam. Ramaha Dasharatam. Next. I'm not able to see actually. What is it in the thing? Blanks. Can you zoom? Yeah.
Now it is visible.
Yes, Cha. Suman.
Ha.
Sumantraha.
Sumantraha.
It is again Pullinga, Ekavachana. Sumantram.
Sumantram.
Vibhakti.
Sumantra is the name of Dasharatha's prime minister.
Minister, yeah.
Yes, next.
Sumantram, next. Vasishtaha. This Vasishtaha, Vasishtam.
Vasishtam. Vasishtam. System. Okay. Next. Fifth sentence.
Can I try, Mahodaya?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sajjanaha Pullinga Ekavachanam Dharmam. Dharmaha it is written. So it is becomes Dharmam.
Dharmam. Okay, very good.
Paropakaraha. Then it becomes Paropakaram.
Paropakaram. Okay. Dharmam. Paropakaram.
Sadacharaha. Sadacharaha becomes Sadacharam.
Sadacharam. So, Sajjanaha Dharmam Paropakaram Sadacharam
Cha Ichati.
Ichati. They like what? Sajjanaha means Sajjanaha. Sat Janaha. Good people.
Okay.
Okay. Sat Janaha. Sat Janaha.
Good people.
Good people. They like Dharma, Paropakara and Sadachara. Okay.
Sadachara is what, Mahodaya? Sadachara?
Sada Achara.
Okay, Sada Achara. Okay. Yeah. Sada Achara. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Next, Bhagini Apanataha. Apanam means shop.
Shop.
Now what are the ones in the brackets? Bhagini Apanataha. What is in the brackets?
Mala.
Vachana.
Mala. Which linga?
Ekavachana.
Strilinga.
Strilinga.
Ekavachana, Strilinga.
Strilinga
Strilinga
Ekavachana.
ekavachana.
So Ekavachana immediately you should know. You don't have to even think about the linga, because Ekavachana means we have to add what?
Im. Sorry.
So this becomes what? Mala becomes what?
Malam.
Malam. Patrika becomes what?
Patrikam.
Patrikam. Padaraksha becomes what?
Padaraksham.
Padaraksham. Sthalika becomes what?
Talikam.
Thalikam. So now the sentence is what? Bhagini Apanataha Malam
Malam,
Patrikam
Patrikam,
Padaraksham
Thalikam,
Cha Anitavati.
Anitavati. So new verb. Okay. Ichhati means to like. Anitavati means to what? To buy. Okay. Apana is shop. Anitavati means to buy. What did she buy? Mala, garland. Patrika, maybe a letter, or you are looking at newspaper.
Paper.
Padaraksha.
Chappal. Footwear. Yeah.
Thalika.
Bag.
Plate.
Thali they say, no?
Plate.
Thalika, plate. Okay. Now, next one. We will finish the three more sentences, and the rest would be homework assignment. Okay. Balakaha dash lekhani ankani kadambari suchi chakritavan.
Ekavachana pullinga.
Which one? Which is pullinga?
Balakaha.
Yes. Next.
Lekani Srilinga. Ekavachana. Lekanim. Balakaha. Lekanim. Ankanim.
Kadambarim.
Suchim cha Kritavan.
So simple. Immediately when you know it is Ekavachana, you know what you have to do is you have to add. So Lekhanim, Ankanim, Kadambarim, Suchim cha Kritavan. Bought. Okay. Anitavati. There is a change in linga over here. Anitavati, we are talking about Strilinga. Kritavan is pullinga over here. Okay. Next. Mata dash. What is this? Syutaha. Syutaha, I already told you, bag, usually associated with Yutakam. Yutakam means shirt. Veshti means it is a Angavastra. We say it is usually worn on the shoulders. It is just put on the shoulders. Shatika is
Sari.
Okay. So which linga and which form? Mata dash.
Syutaha
is pullinga ekavachana.
Ekavachana.
Syutam. Okay.
Yutakam. It is Bahuvachana.
Napumsakalinga. Okay, very good. Dvitiya Vibhakti form will be?
Same.
Yutakam.
Yeah. See, remember, for Napumsakalinga, it will remain same.
Yeah, Yutak.
Either way, we have to remember the same rule, no? Singular, what we have to do? We have to add. Is already added. Your job is done. Yutakam only. Okay. Veshti.
Veshtim.
Veshtim. Ikaranta strilinga. Ekavachana only. So Veshti. Okay. Shatika.
Akarantaka.
Shatikam.
Strilinga.
Shatikam.
Shatikam.
Strilinga. Again Ekavachana. So it is Shatikam. Okay. Next. Aham. Kolahalaha. Kalahaha. Charcha. Alasyam. Kolahalaha, which linga? Visarga is there.
Pullinga.
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 Ekavachanam.
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 Kalaha is
Kolahalam.
Pullinga
Kalaham.
ekavachanam.
Kolahalam.
Ekavachana. Charcha is
Strilinga.
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 Again Ekavachana.
Ekavachanam. Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Alasyam.
Neuter gender.
Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga. Okay. Now, which vachana? Kolahalaha is which vachana?
Ekavachanam. Kolahalam.
Ekavachanam.
Kalahaha, which vachana?
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachana.
Ekavachana.
Charcha is ekavachana. Even alasyam is also ekavachana. So now you know ekavachana means what should you do to convert it into dvitiya vibhakti? Should be. Doesn't matter which linga. So now what will it be? Kolahalaha will become
Halam.
kolahalam.
Kolahalam.
Kalaha will become
Kalaham.
Kalaham.
kalaham. Charcha will become
Charcham.
Charcham.
Alasyam will become
Alasyam remains the same.
Alasyam.
That's all. So cha na ichhami. Na ichhami means what? I do not like. Okay. Na, when we add, we indicate negative. Nava, not there. Na is indicative of negation. So this we will practice in the next exercise. We have one exercise for this also. So now what we have to do is, see, the form is, I think, better. I will post the screenshot of this. 10 to 14 has to be completed by you all. And the directions are simple. You have to first decide which linga, which vachana. Later on it will increase. See, deepaha. The deepaha is what? Which vachana? Bahuvachana. It is bahuvachana. Vrikshaha. Again bahuvachana. Apanaha. Bahuvachana. So, jananyaha. Which vachana? Again bahuvachana. Okay. So you have to remember, for that this is also there. You have a look at this. This is all the dvitiya vibhakti forms. Ekavachana and bahuvachana. Dvivachana is not given. So you have to look at that and then you have to fill it. That would be the assignment. Astu. We will conclude the class. Swasti prajabhyah pratipalayantam nyayena margena mahi mahisha gobrahmanasyo shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः।